So we've seen a 2-digit by 1-digit multiplication with base 10 blocks, with an area model, with some scaffolding. Now it's time to do it without any of that. We're going to try and do this on our own, and we got this. So here's how we're going to solve this. So it says solve using the distributive property. 7 times 32 equals something. Solve on a piece of paper and upload a picture of your work, or type out all the steps for how to solve this problem. Look at the previous slides for how to set up your problem. So I'm going to show you the first way to solve on a piece of paper and upload a picture of your work. So normally I would do this on a piece of paper in real life, but since I'm showing this to you on a computer, I have a digital piece of paper. So the first thing I'm going to want to do is copy down the multiplication problem that I have, 7 times 32. So here we go. Let me get my pencil. So I have, let me actually do it in, let's do it in red. So we have 7 times 32 equals something. Okay, so now I remember the first thing I need to do is I need to decompose my larger number. Because 32, I don't know my 32 facts. So I'm going to break this up into my tens. So I have 3 tens, which equals 30, and my ones. So a 2 in the ones place has a value of 2. So there we go. I've decomposed my larger number. Now I'm going to start writing my 2 smaller multiplication facts. So I know that I'm going to have my rows times my tens plus my rows times my ones. So my rows is 7. That's never going to change. Then I'm going to multiply by my tens first, which is 30. So I'm going to do 7 times 30. Then I have to do my rows, which is 7 again, times my ones, which is 2. So there I'm doing 7 times 2. Now I'm going to multiply. So 7 times 30, well, I can think of this like 7 times 3 tens. So 7 times 3 equals 21, and 21 tens equals 210. Now I'm going to solve 7 times 2. 7 times 2 equals 14. Now I have solved for my 2 products. Oops, I forgot my equal signs. I have solved for my 2 products. I have 210 and 14. Now I'm going to add these 2 parts together. So 210 plus 14. Well, I could do some more math, and I could say 210 plus 10 equals 220. And then 220 plus 4 equals 224. So there I just chunked 14 into 2 parts to find my answer, 224. And I'm going to put a box around it to make it super easy for my stressed out teachers to find my answer. So that's how you solve this type of problem. Now, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to take a picture of this. So for me to take a picture of this, I know this is a little bit different because it's digital, but I'm going to take a screenshot. So I'm going to capture this part. Okay, so here I have my picture, and I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to put my picture in the slide to show my work for my teachers to see. So here's my work. Now I'm going to size it a little bit so that it fits better on the page, and my teachers can easily read it and see my work. So that's how you solve these